Come on in.
Thank you. Hi, it's Linzi from Sweet Natured, and this is my first look around our Seriously Suite on the Valiant Lady.
The brand new Valiant Lady.
The brand spanking new Valiant Lady. So,
Let's see what we can see.
let's see what we can see. Bathroom first.
Bathroom first, we're at the side of it, so why not?
Okay. Well, look at this. We've got full length mirror. Hello. We've got
Hello.
I remember these from last time. The black makeup.
So you can't see your makeup and mascara
when you
everywhere.
took it all off. We've got the dressing gowns again. Now this says redemption. Did it not say Rockstar last time?
Madam, does it say it on the back?
No, it's some sort.
Ooh.
What is that? A number 9? What is that?
That's some symbol of
I think
something.
it's like the spa symbol, isn't it?
Don't know. But yeah, it might be the Redemption Spa.
Oh, so they've got rid of
So they might have got rid of the Rockstar-y.
dressing gowns,
Dunno.
robes,
Don't know.
house coats, whatever you want to call them. Okay, we've got the sink.
Loads of space.
We've got the
Soap.
We've got.
What have
I'm
we
sure
got
that
there?
was grey last time.
What's that? Some hand lotion? Or soap?
Softening lotion.
Okay. So neither of those things.
But that was grey last time.
It was a grey soap last time.
Okay, we've got the massive shower with the window. Oh, lovely.
Yeah, because the window you can see through into the bedroom, can't you?
Yeah.
But I think more importantly than you can see into the bedroom,
Yeah, and sit away
yeah, people can see through into here as well.
and say, okay.
Now, if I remember right, people told us afterwards last time, if you want a little bit more privacy, you can speak to the steward and they'll bring you something to stick on the window.
Okay, but I've known you a long time, so I'm fine. And then we've got the loo, and that looks like recycled toilet paper to me. It's like an off-white, so I'm going to say that's recycled.
Okay.
Okay, not that it's recycled toilet paper, it's recycled paper.
It could be recycled toilet
I
paper.
don't think that's a thing.
Do you want to take us through into the restaurant?
Yes. Okay, so, we're back. We're now back into our suite. Oh, the water bottles. They're over there. Do you remember I said there's no space for the vanity? But look.
Yeah, they've created a proper vanity space now, haven't
Got
they?
lots of letters. By moving
what have
all
we
these
got?
things, I've now got a proper vanity, and the water's over there.
It is.
That's
Yeah,
nice,
that's good.
isn't it?
What have we been given there?
We've got some stuff, little welcome stuff.
What's the red book?
The red book is. Let me just.
It's in your hand.
I know it's in my hand. We've got. Oh, okay. So it's like a room service menu. What everything is sweet. Just that's clever. Oh, it says clever sweet. So it shows you all the things.
Again, that's nice.
That wasn't there last time.
It wasn't. No, I'm guessing that's from feedback that some people found it quite complicated how to do things.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's nice.
Great.
That's nice. Okay. So I like that this is now a proper vanity.
What have we got in the drawer space?
We've got nothing.
What about in the silver bit? TV
Remote.
control.
Let me just do hairdryer check. Oh,
It's a little hairdryer.
I'm sure it was bigger last time. Put it back in its home.
I'm not going to comment on its size.
That's bigger. Okay. Right. So we've got.
Good storage
We've
space.
got. Yeah, but they're
Quite
always quite
Shallow. Yeah.
Okay, and then buffet for vanity, lovely. But this, I'm guessing for putting your jewellery on when you're getting organised. Massive TV.
We'll come back to the entertainment bit towards the end of it. You can have a play because you haven't tried that yet.
No.
So you can see if you can work the TV. But it is a huge TV. And it pulls out, you can aim
Swizzle
around
You
it.
can swizzle it.
Yeah.
Swizzle.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay, so we've got the Sex Pistols now. Last time we had 2 albums. This time we've got, never mind,
We've got one, but we've got one great album.
The Bollocks.
Never mind the Polish, yeah. It's a very, very famous album.
It is And
It is. The bar's different as well.
well, the water's here, but what's all this?
So the bar set up now. When we came on it on Scarlet Lady on the first time, they sent an email before saying what was your bar setup. So they gave us like a selection of full-size bottles of prosecco and champagne. What they've done now is give lots of bottles.
This is for us.
So all this is for us. So you've got smaller bottles of vodka, Bacardi,
tequila,
whiskey, tequila.
We're only on it 3 nights.
Bourbon. Then there's some mixers, and then we should have some stuff in the fridge as well. At the bottom, Pet.
In the fridge? In the fridge?
Yeah, I've not actually looked, so I don't know.
Oh, it's all high glass.
Press it, Pet.
Oh, we've got Heineken's. What's this?
We've got some Moet and some Prosecco.
Moet.
Some Moet.
Moet.
And some white wine and some ciders and blonde and Red Bull and various stuff. Okay.
Okay.
That's a nice bar setup.
Wow. Okay, what's in these drawers? Nothing.
Do they still have the mixer ones at the top?
The mixers?
Nothing in that one. That's for just connecting stuff into the sound system.
Okay.
If you bought anything of your own. What about in that one?
Oh, they've got the glasses again.
And now with that bar setup,
you might get
with all the mixers,
glasses.
You can use every glass, but you've also got a reason to actually mix stuff.
We haven't got a shaker though. Oh,
there's a shaker at the back there.
Using that?
Yeah.
That one. Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Wowzers. Okay.
What about the bed and wardrobes then?
Bed. Yeah, we loved the bed last time. Well, you loved the bed.
I loved the bed. It was really comfy.
Okay, so that's good. We've got a throw for sitting out. And it's
One of the
beautiful.
big things I like about this room is that the bed, if I just come out this side for people on it, you're looking straight out. You're not coming across the room. You're looking out, so you can see outside straight from the bed, which is just fantastic. Wardrobe space, how are we behind you on this?
Now you've put stuff away, haven't you, just for...
No, I've not put anything away yet.
You've not?
No.
Oh, so we've got a wash bag and a little shopping list for your washing.
Yeah, the other drawers are empty, Pat.
Oh, okay. And then wardrobe.
Open them up, Pat.
Lucy, you put my bag away, thank you.
Oh, no, I did put your bag away, sorry.
Life jackets. And then the lovely bed.
Show us out on the balcony then, and then we'll just have a quick look at the entertainment system and lights.
I just noticed there's none of the little gubbins. You know, the little
the octopus one.
Oh, the box, the controversial box.
Oh, is that not in the cupboard down there? Because it was in the one below last time. No, it's not.
No.
The little saucy box.
No saucy box. Not that I'm missing the saucy box, but it's interesting. The saucy box or the octopus
They're not there.
is not here.
But I think that's because a lot of people thought they were free
I'm sure
and took them, and then got a bill at the end of it.
What is happening?
So we've now figured.
Is they sent us a message? It says our names.
It does.
And mine's in capitals.
Why are you in capitals? That would suggest either it's shouting at you, going, Linzi! Which could be true. Or when we typed it in at some point in the system, we put it in uppercase, which is possible. Or it just thinks you're more important. So, yeah, when that music went off very loudly and interrupted us there, apologies.
That flashed up.
Yeah, that flashed up, so
Okay.
back to where we are. Let's go out on the balcony.
Oh, the slidey door. No.
Nice wide balcony again. Oh, long balcony. Obligatory hammock shot. And Linzi bashing her head.
Just bash my head.
With his shoulder.
My shoulder. But I'm okay.
Do you like your hammock?
I do love my hammock. I love my hammock. Look how beautiful it is.
I know. We could be anywhere.
It's 15 degrees today.
Now you might see the Brittany Ferries bit and think, oh, there must be in Brittany in France because it's so lovely. But no, whereabouts are we?
We're in Portsmouth and it's 15 degrees, which is, let me do it, 60?
Ish.
Wow.
Which for March is quite nice.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Right, shall we have a play with the gadgets and see if things work?
Okay, let's have it. You're having me do this?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, good.
So, let's just show what it shows on the tablet before you break the whole thing.
I can't get over there's none of the little goodies.
No.
But I think you're right. I think they must have had to do so many refunds of people thinking they were free.
Yeah. Right, give it a play then and see what you can do.
Cabin curtains.
They're already open, Linz.
Close.
Ooh.
Okay.
Do I try doing some lights or something?
Let me just.
This is fascinating entertainment for people, Linz.
Joe, I haven't got my glasses on. Right. What do I press?
Well, I'll tell you what. Shall I go in front of the camera for a second?
No, just bear with me. Just look, people were real. So. Oh.
Will you turn those lights off?
Oh.
Will you turn some more lights off?
Oh.
Okay. Do you want to try and put a movie on or something?
A movie? Will we get to? Is it copyright movie?
I'll only show it for a second.
Right, do I come out of the movie?
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah, perfect.
All right.
And then put the big lights back on then.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, well, we'll leave the lights there. Hey!
Okay, we've got lights. Now, how do you make them all?
Well, what we'll do,
fancy?
because this is just our initial thoughts and tour, in the review video, we'll cover that off in a lot more depth where we've got to use the system and got used to it.
Okay, that sounds like a good idea. Okay.
So that's the end of the video.
Yes.
Now we can go out and explore because we've just got on board.
Uh-huh.
Go get a couple of drinks and see what we can see.
And some lunch and see what we can see. Thanks and have a lovely day.
Cheers, Linz.
Cheers.